for the Nottoway River near Stony Creek until late Friday night. At 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday, the stage was 14.6 feet. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 16.8 feet Thursday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday evening. Impact at 16.0 feet. Lowlands on the right-hand side upstream of the gauge begin to flood.
Wakefield really do be having a flood fetish, huh?